Welcome back. Welcome. It's time for part two of this video. The difference between CAD customization and CAD automation. We have already seen in detail what is CAD customization along with the examples. Now let's have a look at CAD automation. If you haven't watched the first video, check for the link in description box. I will continue with the CAD automation for now. So CAD automation is little bit called as extension of CAD customization. There are many things that CAD customization can do, but when it comes to improving productivity to the next level, then we need to include CAD customization, and CAD customization involves lot of programming skill set. I mean programming language skill set as well as CAD API skill set. Now let's see what is included or what I mean by CAD automation. So automation is actually triggers automation of design process. It can be a very simple a 1 minute process that you perform, or it can be a very complex that takes weeks to perform. So the design process can be any design process provided there is a set method, there is a set approach to perform that process backed by the the inputs. It may be engineering inputs, may be engineering calculations, it may be product know-how, it may be design rules, anything. So uh, provided by backed by these inputs, there is a design process that you perform. It may be with these inputs or it may be just a CAD process that you perform, but it can be automated with CAD automation. So how this design process automation happens? Either by building custom applications or by building the applications. Yeah, so anyway, it's going to be custom applications, but there are several types of applications. One can be uh, uh, quality check tool. One can be a simple utility that performs some task on a part, that performs some task on a drawing. Export utility that exports some information out of your models or on drawings. Then there could be batch processes. So this is just few examples of custom applications. And these custom applications are developed, which includes logics and procedures. Now, what are the methods to automate? So there are custom applications can be created, and these custom applications could be, as I said, product configuration tool, automation through batch processes. I already said this. Automation of specific tasks. Specific tasks meaning drawing check tool, uh, checking of uh, checking of drawings. Then you can even create views, drawing views. We can even add assembly constraints, create a program that adds assembly constraints or adds components to the assembly at a set position and builds that assembly. It can be even exporting files to IGS, TEP or DXF. So these are some specific and custom tasks that we as a design engineer do while working. And all of those small and big tasks can be automated with uh, with by creating custom applications. Now, a few more applications examples. So examples could be a design team involved in creating assembly drawing of mold design, which comprises of same set of details for every design. They can save their time by automating assembly drawing. There is assembly drawing, there is a mold design, the design changes every time, but the assembly drawing, the layout of assembly drawing is more or less remains the same every time. This means that they can create automation program to follow that layout and create the assembly drawing. The another example is a fabrication structure manufacturer can create various custom reports from available model data to share information to planning, manufacturing, purchase teams. So they can, so the program here can help export the details into MS Excel sheet, which can be used by these different teams, and that can literally save a lot of time as well. Quality check program can run through set of rules and check the model's health and its capability with standard practice. So this is another example. Here are only few examples that I have listed down, but believe me, there is a huge possibility with CAD automation. Now the time is for conclusion and talk about benefits. But I see it's going to be a longer explanation. I am I will be adding the part number 3 of this video. Do watch that video to conclusion to see the conclusion of this entire discussion, as well as know about the benefits of CAD customization and CAD automation. So see you in the part 3. Don't forget to watch it. And if you have anything to share, anything to ask, please ask that in comment section and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.